That's not hard. They're tired.
Why does homeboy look like he just got told that his whole life been nothing but a lie? Oh my god, women are tired because they gotta work the same hours I do? Like, he really just got told the biggest plot twist in life. The sad part is a lot of cis men be thinking this way. Like, I don't get it. I'm thoroughly convinced that a lot of men out here do not know what in the world they want.
Hello, welcome to Reactions and Reviews. I'm your humble host, Eze. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the show. And in today's episode, we are going to talk about black women not cooking for their husband or their man because, quote unquote, they are tired. Shout out to D. McKenzie, who also goes by Dating to Marriage on TikTok. Thank you so much for sending in your video for today's topic. Before we dive in, I'll start breaking it down. I need your help. Take a second to subscribe. Some of you guys already know my YouTube channel is new. I started it 60 days ago and I'm trying to grow it. So please hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell to let you know every time I upload a new video. Help me by sharing this video and also by commenting. Okay? And now, without any further delay, let's get it.
You know what I'm getting tired of? I'm getting tired of women saying that they don't want to cook for their man. When it's not just cooking for your man, it's cooking for yourself and your kids. Like, what are you talking about? As women, we are naturally designed to be a nurturer. Do you even know what nurturing means? It means to care for and encourage growth or development of. How are you going to grow and develop without any food? The definition is simple, and so is cooking. What's not simple is the man that's providing for you, going out to work, risking their lives every day to make sure that you're actually happy. So the least you can do is make a decent meal, not only for yourself, but for the entire household. Why is it so simple-minded, one-sided? You eat, he eats, they eat, we all eat. What is the big deal?
Why don't the women want to cook and clean for the men anymore? Because they're tired.
It's probably the most I've recorded in a day, but go back and look at that video. It's been up and down my timeline, and we're tired. Taking care of your children, helping with homework, cleaning the house. But we work 8, 10, 12, 14 hours a day. And for those who say, if you got real man or whatever, look, I'm not independent enough to say that I don't need my man for things. But I am independent enough to say that I love my career and I love the contributions that I make to my community. Housewife just ain't for me.
What?
The fuck out of here. You ladies wonder why the passport bro are saying bye-bye to you black women. Just like D said, it's for you too.
So the least you can do is make a decent meal, not only for yourself, but for the entire household. Why is it so simple-minded, one-sided?
If you cook, it's for you. If you clean the house, it's for you. It's a house that you live in that the man is paying for. The light bill he's paying for. The water bill he's paying for. The insurance he's paying for. Both cars y'all are driving, he's paying for. What exactly are you using your money for? And you guys heard her, ladies and gentlemen. She said she's not wife material, or she's not a wife, whatever she said. And she values her career. Those are her words. She values her career. Ladies, you cannot have your cake and eat it too. Either you want to be a wife or you want to be a career woman. If you want to be a career woman, then be happy and shut the fuck up and be happy. And keep it pushing. And let those that are traditional, that know their role as a wife, let them be the wife. Let's keep going.
What are the roles in a marriage?
What is wrong with that boy? I mean, something is... He touched. This ain't 1943. Did you think it was 1943? Oh my God, have you just came from out of where do you live? Because currently we're in inflation, and most households, this might not be apparent to some, most households, if they do have two adults, mom and dad, that traditional type of way, if that is a thing, both are working. It's not like traditional times where the man made the house and the woman made the home. Nowadays, in today's time, both have to make the house and both have to make the home. You share the responsibilities.
Man, oh, please be quiet. Please be quiet. Shut your mouth. I'm so sick of women saying this nonsense. Women like her will be the very first females to say, I don't do 50-50. A man should provide. A man should protect. Because if a man right now, all that bullshit she just said, if a man said, okay, baby, this is not the 40s or the 50s anymore. You want to work, I'm going to work. So let's split the bill in half. Let's do 50-50. This same broad would be the first one to say, I don't want him. He lame. He want me to do 50-50. But look at her run her mouth. Look at her run her mouth.
You want to live a long, happy life, right? A long, happy life with your man, correct? So do the things that is required and stop talking. Take this time to think. Once you start treating your man like a king, he will then start treating you like a queen. If not, stop complaining.
That's not hard. They're tired.
Why does homeboy look like he just got told that his whole life been nothing but a lie? Oh my God, women are tired because they gotta work the same hours I do? Like, he really just got told the biggest plot twist in life. The sad part is a lot of cis men be thinking this way. Like, I don't get it. I'm thoroughly convinced that a lot of men out here do not know what in the world they want. And I'm convinced that half of y'all don't even like women. Like, make it make sense. You want women to cook, clean, take care of the kids, and be barefoot and pregnant all the time, but yet cannot provide that financial security that they were able to provide back in the day for them to do that. But if she don't work, she a gold digger. Then you don't want a woman who works, because then you'll get intimidated, then she's an alpha female and she's too independent and strong for me. In this moment, I really do feel like Noah in The Notebook. What do you want? What do you want? And y'all need to expeditiously figure that out. Shut the fuck up.
You ladies sure love to tell a man, pay the bills and provide. Y'all love it. Y'all love it. But listen to her, just listen to her talk. Listen to her talk. Does this sound and look like a woman that will give you peace at home? And for the record, ladies, no real man wants their woman to go work. You ladies made that choice. You ladies decided to get up in the morning and go to work. You ladies made that. No good man that I know of, not just in America, worldwide, that wants their wife to get up and go work. Passport bros, man, you guys do what you do, man. I see why you guys are running from these black women. I see why. All those high value men that you ladies claim you want, guess what? They don't want you to work. You want to be an independent, strong black woman. So you want to keep your career. Well, take your ass to work, come home and still maintain your duty as a wife. Because you're expecting your husband to maintain his duty as a husband. That's what you ladies don't understand. Men get tired too. And that, not to even mention the risk. If we get pulled over by a cop, we may not even make it home. We may not even make it home. You ladies don't understand the kind of pressure black men are under in America. That's why you ladies go on social media and say the dumbest, the most stupidest shit that come out of y'all's mouth. That will wrap it up for today's episode. And thank you for joining me. So please leave a comment below. If you agree, if you disagree, it doesn't matter. Leave the comment below. And also, you tell me what you want me to cover. You tell me what you want me to discuss and what you want me to react to. Okay? And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me. And I see you on the next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's rebuild the black nuclear family. It is needed. Okay? God bless.